In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grow apricorns in Pixelmon Reforged. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have some here, like this. There's different ones you can get. So if I go here, get black, white, pink, green, blue, yellow, red, and that's them. You can also get them cooked. What you want to do is you want to go onto the floor, some grass. You can't do it on other things, so like sand isn't work. You want to make sure you do this on grass, and you can just right click them onto the grass like this, and then they're going to go ahead and start growing here. Now if you want to actually speed up the process of growing here, you can right click on it with bone meal, and that's going to speed up the growth of it, and it's going to pop it into 3 like this. About like 5 clicks of bone meal, it's sped it up and turned it into simple as that. And that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.